Welcome back, you guys. So today, oh my gosh, so they sent me a video and pictures of them on the dyno. I thought the dyno was supposed to be like tomorrow, but anyways, we got some crazy stuff going on. So I'm trying to go down right now and maybe catch them dynoing the car. I just want to catch it on video. I know that they've said like they'll record it and print out the dyno numbers and everything for me, but like I gotta get there for, on my behalf, because I really want to see that happen, you know what I mean? So we are just going to try and make it down there in time to see the baby get dynoed. Like I said, I was expecting it tomorrow, so I didn't bring any cash. I don't have that much cash on me to like pay them if they finish it today. So whatever, we're just gonna try to get down there, you guys. I'm super stoked. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. And so yeah, just ranting on I didn't really record much progress. I can't even talk. Like, I'm so excited. I didn't really document anything, but like they said they've done most of the documentation for me, so I'm really hoping that they did. I know I've been doing like a couple quick like 30-second videos of them finishing it up or with their progress for the day, like day 5 and whatnot. So let's just see what they got done. I think they had everything together last time and they were just waiting for the tuner to throw it on the dyno and do like a live tuning thing, whatever you want to call it. So that's where we're at with the Mustang. Brainerd is tomorrow, well, Thursday. So I'm trying to go up Thursday night and swap the wheels, get everything prepped, make sure everything is good to go, rather than going up Friday morning at like 3 in the morning to go do my event, because I'm doing the roll race, you guys, and not doing drag because I'm scared. I'm a wimp. But I won't have any seat time, which is pretty nervous, going from driving this little CRV every day for the past like 3 months to stepping in I'm gonna just say like 700 wheel Mustang. I'm gonna be pretty scared, and not that I haven't driven anything like quick before, but like my V was quick, made 610 wheels, but like I said, it's a learning curve, and I don't know what to really expect. I know my Mustang at 452 wheel horsepower like always caught me off guard all the time. Like, dang, was that thing fun? So we will see what this Mustang has in store for me. I didn't bring any GoPros. I just brought my camera here, or my iPhones. Yes, I said iPhones because I got 2 phones. Yeah, sorry, just really ranting and whatnot. I'm super excited, super stoked, you guys. We're just gonna get there and see the Mustang, man. I'm super excited. Oh, we are finally on the dyno, you guys. More Mustang type things. Let's go. So we have done our first poll, you guys. I didn't record because I didn't know that they were actually going to do a poll, but we made a whopping 505 wheel horsepower and 562 torque, you guys. Not bad. This is my Mustang over here. Yeah, not bad for the Mustang. Oh boy. Oh man, we broke our old record. Not bad. 676 and 559 torque, you guys. Wow. That was only to 5,000 RPMs. That ain't bad, you guys. Well, 5,800 RPMs. That ain't bad. Wow. So this would be poll number 3, you guys. Let's see what happens here. See the sauce over here. We are 688, you guys. All right, so we're only spinning to 6,500 RPM, so still have quite a bit to go still. Not bad. We're on to number 4, you guys. Let's see what it does. Spicy. 10 pounds. What happened? A belt slip. It spun. That's what it was. What were they on? It's like okay. What do we got? 715. 12 pounds. Alrighty guys, so we are back at home, and as you can see, we have kind of packed everything. I got my rear wheels, 10 gallons of E85, some miscellaneous tool type stuff. I got the grill over there. We got sleeping bags, sleeping tents. I don't think this is all gonna fit in the Mustang when I go pick it up tomorrow. So I don't know how this is gonna work. Ideally, I would just throw the drag pack on, drive it up to Brainerd, race, you know, whatnot, and throw the E85 in the back seat, tent in the back seat, ready, set, go, right? But, ooh, this is kind of a lot of stuff to fit in the Mustang, all of this. So I don't know how well this is going to work out going tomorrow, but anyways, we did finish the Mustang for tonight. We only had like an hour of tuning session, unfortunately. So the numbers are boost only numbers, no timing really in there, if any, actually. So it's just all boost. It made some pretty good numbers, not gonna lie. It's just like a base map tune, you know, nothing too crazy. And we're just gonna run it up there and just have fun, get used to it. And then we get back, oil change, relook at stuff, and finally get on the real tune, you know, finish the tuning and whatnot. But for the meantime, this tune works great. It's great. Everything's good. It's just not a lot of power. I mean, 700 plus, it's still pretty good power coming from stock level Mustang type stuff, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna have fun up there and run it, just to have fun. Obviously, there's gonna be so many people much faster than me. I really don't care. I'm just there to have fun. So first event, you guys will see this like way far out there. So you probably won't see this real time, honestly. So peace out. Oh, would you look at that? We finally got the Mustang back. Yes, I'm super excited, super stoked. I drove it for a little bit. I'm not gonna lie about that. And I was super scared to get on it, like 20% throttle. I was super scared the whole time because I don't have my drag pack in the rear, and yeah, it was way too scary for me. So let's just take a look at this. So here's the beast. It is extremely hot under there. Holy cow. Like I couldn't even hold the rod up. But yeah, that's what it looks like, you guys. We're ripping on it at Brainerd. So not too bad of a build.